Welcome to our Countertop Showdown, where we pit the DUMOS Ice Maker against the SMUG Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver ice quickly and efficiently, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into the details and find out which ice maker is the best fit for your home, kitchen, or outdoor adventures. Both the DUMOS and SMUG ice makers are priced at an affordable $69 US, making them accessible options for anyone looking to enhance their beverage experience. Despite the same price point, the features offered by each machine may justify their value differently. Let's explore what each product brings to the table. When it comes to ice production speed, the SMUG Ice Maker boasts an impressive ability to produce 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while both machines can make up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. This rapid production makes the SMUG model particularly appealing for gatherings or parties where ice is needed quickly. The DUMOS Ice Maker is designed for compact use with a simple operation, making it easy to use in any kitchen space. On the other hand, the SMUG Ice Maker not only offers portability, but also features an auto-cleaning function, which simplifies maintenance and ensures the machine remains hygienic with minimal effort. This could be a significant advantage for users who prioritize convenience. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and SMUG ice makers have their unique strengths. While they share the same price, the SMUG's faster ice production and auto-cleaning feature may make it the better choice for some users. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.